Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable dark theme setting in Oppo phone device. Friends, you can see guys your Oppo phone guys, your background is dark theme setting, and friends you don't like guys, you want to disable this setting. So how can you disable guys your dark theme setting? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable guys this dark theme setting. So we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll it. So you can see this type of setting in your Oppo phone. Friends, click on display and brightness guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your left side is light theme setting guys, so we will apply for light theme and guys switch. And friends, you can see guys after 3 and 4 seconds your dark theme will disable, and friends your light theme will apply, means light theme will enable in Oppo phone device. So like that guys, you can disable your dark theme setting, and hence you can enable your light theme setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.